Yes, I'm doing a video.
Oh, it's our own tree. Oh, cold.
Oh, very lovely.
Oh, our own tree. Wow. Oh, I want to climb the tree. Yes. Now I imagine they have the tree. Oh, here's our tree.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, look. This is our house. Our new home. Our door. Oh, we can open. See? The door.
That's locked.
Yes. There's a list still. Up there. Yes.
A rocking chair.
Yes. Yes. Careful.
This is our view. We've got a beautiful church right across the street from us.
Yes. 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 Oh. Beautiful sky. So quiet.
Yes,
The church.
it's very quiet here, serene, enjoyable. There's the male person.
Like the stairs. See?
Yes.
Our house. Okay.
Okay.
Now, go to our yard. Now, the wall. Ah, wow, beautiful, comfortable weather. Yeah.
It's April 22nd and it's about 50 degrees outside here in Pulaski, Virginia. That's about 9 degrees centigrade. Got a nice tree there. And we've got bay windows here. A double 2-deck porch there. Windowed attic.
This is our library.
Yes, that's the windows to a library.
This to the east.
Yes. And right back here, those 3 windows that you see there, that's part of a sunroom off of the kitchen.
Yes.
And that's I think a bathroom window there.
Oh, that's bathroom. Bathroom window.
One of these is, yeah. And that's a 2-car garage right there. That's the neighbor's boat right there.
Large, small. No, I said my grass. This is my own grass. Oh.
Yeah, lovely purple and yellow flowers here.
Yes. beautiful. Oh. Oh. Nice.
And then looking back here, there's the sunroom off of the kitchen, and there's the second floor. See, we have 2 chimneys there, but all the fireplaces are closed. We do have a basement. It's like a half-finished basement. And here's a small deck that we have the back of the house. So this right here is the back door. This goes into the kitchen.
Yes. Yes, you can open.
Check the door, make sure it's locked.
Yes. Yes, it's locked.
Okay. And we got temperature on the wall right here.
40. 40. 50.
As you can see, that's about 50 degrees right there. But still very comfortable here.
Yes.
And that's the door to our
Garage.
garage, which is locked also.
Yes.
We've got aluminum or vinyl siding on the garage. There's a direct TV satellite dish there. We've got our air conditioning down there. A gravel driveway. Double automatic doors on the garage, and got security lighting up there. This is a Mulberry Lane, which goes behind the houses there. And there's the beautiful church. So this is the side of the house here. I don't know the names of all the bushes, but we'll get some pictures and find out the names.
You know this? You know that window? I know. In cabinet.
Oh, that's a cabinet window?
Cabinet, yes.
Oh. Okay.
It's interesting.
We've got little electric candles in all the windows, all the way around. The first owner put them there. There is some peeling paint in a couple places, but that can be touched up easily. That's not a big deal.
Can blossom.
Yeah, this will blossom also.
Yes.
And there's Ping by the dogwood tree.
Is dogwood tree?
I think this is a dogwood tree. It might be a cherry blossom tree. No fruit, but we'll find out more about it. Find out if there's any medicinal uses for it.
This is our flowers. Come.
So everybody has to come visit us. This will be a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house. It's got a library, a living room, a separate dining room, a breakfast nook, beautiful modern kitchen. We've got a two-car garage and we have street parking also, so it's close to downtown. Church there and over there. So, very nice place. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.